Alright, y'all, we back with Juan. We cooking with Juan. And we all had this crazy situation. You know what? You have something like this, brats, original bratwursts, hot dogs, bacon, anything, and it's frozen. It's frozen like it is outside. It's 16 degrees outside. I should show you a shot of how cold it is outside. But I'm gonna show you how you use the microwave and how you can cook this and get it going faster than just allowing it to thaw out, because we got to get this going now. So let's get going with the microwave. All right, y'all. First, on our microwave, we have this beautiful setting called Express Defrost. You see all the way on the right? Second one down on the right. I'll bring it in so you can see a little closer. There we have it, Express Defrost. We're going to use that. We're just going to throw it in, and we're going to hit start. It's going to defrost for 2 minutes. All right. Y'all notice it says beef 1 pound. Touch the start. It don't matter that it says beef. Just go ahead and touch start.
All right.
We'll start the frost.
At the 1 minute mark, you have the opportunity to open the microwave, turn the brats. Yeah, turn those brats, turn it, then press the start button again, and keep going. All right, let's keep going. All right, we're finished with the Express Defrost. Now I'm going to cook them. Now I'm going to cook these in the microwave for about 4 minutes. 1 minute at a time. I'm going to turn them each time I cook it 1 minute. Now, something that's wonderful, something that's just great. When you cook these in the microwave like this, you will preserve the skins. They will not burst as much when you put them in the pan. That's why I like doing them in the microwave. You preserve the skin. Okay, yeah. Finish cooking in the microwave. Look at them. They're sort of brown. Now they're ready. They're ready to go into the frying pan. Let's go to the pan. Now we're in the pan. Look at them. They're browning in the pan. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to reach in here. I'm just going to turn them a little bit and see what they look like. And if they're not browning yet, I'll just leave them in the pan and turn them. But once they get brown on one side, I'm going to turn them. Then I'm going to put them on the other side of the brown. Then I'm going to turn them. I'm going to try to even put them on the edge and turn them. All right, y'all. Look at those beautiful bratwursts. They're nice and brown, nice and good. The skin didn't burst, and the secret was we preheated them in the microwave for 4 minutes, and because of that, the skin didn't burst. They look good. Even if you don't eat them all at once and you reheat them, they're still gonna be nice and juicy. Thanks for watching Juan God for the God TV. Thank y'all.